Today, the government has taken a very bold steps relating to the hospital charges in different private hospitals as far as the costing of COVID patient is concerned. So today we have already decided that MHIS facilities will be enhanced, and this is known as out-of-pocket treatment. Because see, what happened was, the patient, sometimes when they were admitted in the hospital, when the bill was raised, maybe the MHIS benefits covers for 60%. If it is 100 rupees, 60 rupees, it was covered under MHIS. But 40 rupees they have to pay from their own pocket. So this is known as out-of-pocket expenses. So what we have taken a decision today, we have calculated well. So the team of MHIS under the leadership of DHS, who is also the CEO of MHIS, they have already brought the proposal to the government, and the government has decided to approve a new rate, new enhanced rate for all the patients treatment under the COVID-19, like indicated below. Let me indicate it now. I will indicate now as indicated below. Please note down. We have 5 categories. We have divided into 5 categories. First category is general ward without oxygen requirement. The rate per day is fixed. This rate is to the maximum. Please note that. This rate is to the maximum. 7,000 per day. 7,000 per day, general ward without oxygen requirement. Number 2, the second category is general ward with oxygen requirement, 11,500 per day. Category number 3, ICU, HDU without ventilator, 14,000 per day. And the next category is ICU with non-invasive ventilator, 18,000 per day. And the last category is ICU with invasive ventilator, 20,000 per day. These are the rates, the ceiling, calculated and approved by the government today. And this rate will be implemented or will take effective from 15 August 2021. This new rate will be effective from 15 August 2021. You got it? I will explain in Khasi.